Alright everyone, this is just going to be a quick video to show you how to replace the hook and loop pad on your Porter cable, or it applies to other brands as well. This is the hook and loop pad for your Orbital sander. So first, I'll show you the part I'm going to use. Part number here, 13904. It's for a 5-inch. The biggest thing to pay attention to when you're matching these up is your hole pattern. So it's a 5-inch pad, but also match up your hole pattern. So if you're in the store, I got this at Lowe's. Lowe's carries Porter cable. Is matching up your width and then your hole pattern, and that simplifies that. Then, out of curiosity for some of you, this is a model 333 5-inch. So all you need to do is get a T20 Torx bit. Now you could use a straight screwdriver as well here, but get your T20 and just hold down the pad so it doesn't rotate. I've only got 3 screws here. So this is a time here to inspect your belt. This one here is really not so great. And then you have this backer pad, but I'm actually in a hurry to get this on the job, so we're just going to be replacing the hook and loop pad here. So really straightforward. Here's your new pad, and there's your 3 screws, or your 3 holes, and just verify everything lines up. And I would just get every screw just started a little bit to verify that you have everything lined up nice. And just make sure everything is seating fine. And now we're just going to snug them down. And that's it. So if you thought your tool was ruined, or at least your day was ruined, now you know how to swap out your pad. And got some brand new paper. Let's see here. They don't want you to get in the package, apparently. And line it up. Same thing with your paper. Make sure you buy paper that matches your hole pattern. And that's it. And it really only has to match your hole pattern if you're worried about dust collection. I mean, you could have a smooth disc, but it's just going to blow all that dust all in your face, all around the room. But that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you're getting those notifications. Thanks again for watching.